May I commence the proceedings, my lord?
Yes.
Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கிழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதிர் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
My lord, now I read the notification issued by the Government of India. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Sri Periyasamy Vadamalai as an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Signed, Rajinder Kaishyap, Additional Secretary to the Government of India. Now I read the authorization given by Hon'ble the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, R.N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu, hereby authorize you, Mr. Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to administer oath of office in the appropriate form to Sri Periyasamy Vadamalai, Judicial Officer, who has been appointed as Additional Judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Signed, R.N. Ravi. Now I read the warrant of appointment of Thiru Periyasamy Vadamalai. By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Periyasamy Vadamalai to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 22nd day of March in the year 2023, 1st Chaitra, 1945 Saka, in the 74th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India. I request through Periyasamy Vadamalai to take oath of office.
I, Periyasamy Vadamalai, having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you, my lord. I request the learned Advocate General to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Justice T. Raja, Honorable Justice Thiru Periyasamy Vadamalai, friends and family members of the Honorable Justice Thiru Vadamalai, Learned Additional Solicitor General, Learned Public Prosecutor Thiru Hassan Mohammed Jinnah, Learned Additional Advocate Generals Haja Naziruddin Silamannan, Veera Kadiravan, Raman Lal, V. Arun, R. Bhaskaran, Kumaresan, Neelagandan, and J. Ravindran. Learned State GOM Pleader Thiru Muthukumar, Learned GOM Pleader Madurai Thiru Tilakumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Tamil Nadu at the Principal Bench and Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, Learned Public Prosecutor Puducherry Thiru Mohandas, Learned Government Pleader Puducherry Thiru Ravi Kumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Puducherry and Law Officers of Union India, Thiru Amal Raj, Chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Thiru S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Thiru Mohana Krishnan, President of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, Thiru Kamalnathan, President of the Madras Bar Association, Tirumadi Louisal Ramesh, President of the Women Law Association, Thiru Chengutuvan, President of the Law Association, and other office bearers of the respective associations, the Registrar Thiru P. Dhanapal, the officers and the staff of the Registry of the Madras High Court at the principal seat and the bench at Madurai, fellow senior advocates and beloved junior advocates, representatives of the electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen. My vanakkam to you all and a warm welcome. Today we saw through Justice Thiru P. Vadamalai assuming office as Additional Judge of the Madras High Court. On behalf of the bar, I have the pleasure of congratulating Your Lordship Thiru P. Vadamalai on being appointed to serve as the Additional Judge for the Chartered High Court of Madras. To start with, I would assert that it is essential for judges to be elevated to the bench from the district judiciary and the bar. This in practice promotes inclusiveness and diversity to the appointment process. Your Lordship Thiru P. Vadamalai is now elevated to this High Court after serving as a judge for 28 years in the state judicial service, and I am hoping that your experience will benefit the litigants and uphold the standards of our Honorable High Court. Given the limited time, I would like to make a brief introduction of His Lordship Justice P. Vadamalai. His Lordship Justice Thiru P. Vadamalai was born on 3rd of April 1966 to a couple, Periyasamy and Soundaram. He is hailing from Udummalpete, a place well known for the textile industry and spinning mill in the Tirupur district. He claims that his parents and his brother P. Marimuthu were employees of textile mills. He attended the government municipal school in Kanakkampalayam for his elementary education and the government high school in Udummalpet for his higher education. His Lordship thereafter completed his undergraduate studies in BCom at the Government Arts College Udummalpet. Subsequently, he enrolled in the Government Law College in Coimbatore, where he graduated with a BL in the year 1990. He is one of the judges who has achieved this position as Judge of the Madras High Court after having his entire education from government educational institutions. The entire Tamil Nadu congratulates you and is proud of you. After enrolling with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, he started practicing law at the subordinate courts at Udummalpete under the guidance of Senior Thiru U.K. Armugam. With a stint of practice of 5 years, we were selected as judicial officer in the state judicial service in the year 1995 and joined as judicial magistrate number 4, Salem. In 2007, he was promoted to civil judge, senior division, and was appointed as a sub-judge of Ambasamudram. Eventually, in the year 2013, he was promoted as the additional chief judicial magistrate, EO2, Egmore, Chennai. His Lordship has served as a district judge in the various positions, including Chennai, Krishnagiri, Nilagiri, and Madurai. Also, His Lordship served as the OSD, District Judiciary, in the principal seat of Madras High Court. He assumed the position of Principal District Judge, Madurai, on 18th of December 2020 and held that position till this elevation. With these remarks, once again, I share my happiness in welcoming the newly appointed additional judge of this Hon'ble High Court. To quote Thiruvalluvar High Court, he who in his conduct preserves a mind free from deceit will dwell in the minds of all men. Quotes close. In Tamil, Ullattar Poyyadolugin, Ulagattar Ullathilellam Ulan. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, I assure Your Lordship that the bar will work relentlessly and offer its full cooperation in the effective discharge of administration of justice. Your Lordship had a mixture of judicial training in the district judiciary and the administrative experience in the High Court. The humble background from which you have risen will inspire many in our profession, and you will be the right role model. I sincerely hope that your presence will advance the cause of justice, and this High Court will benefit from Your Lordship's knowledge and practical experience. I wish you all success in your tenure with this High Court of Madras and future endeavors to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, the great judges of the Honorable High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Periyasamy Vadamalai, who has taken oath today as Judge of the Madras High Court, and his family members, Mr. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General, all additional Advocate Generals, Mr. Hasan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. Mohan Das, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Senior Advocate, Bar Council of India, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Mohan Krishnan, the Co-Chairman, the President, Madras High Court Advocate Associations, Mr. V.R. Kamalnathan, the President, Madras Bar Association, Mrs. Luisal Ramesh, the President, Women Lawyer Associations, Mr. Changutuvan, the President, Law Associations, Mr. Nedunjayan and Mohan Kumar, the Madurai District Bar Association, President and Secretaries, other President Secretaries, all Bar Advocate Association in the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, senior advocates, members of the legal fraternity, and other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, good morning to all. As the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, it is immense pleasure for me to participate in the swearing ceremony. First of all, I welcome and wish our newly appointed Judge, Honorable Mr. Periyasamy Vadamalai, Judges of the prestigious Madras High Court. The Honorable Mr. Justice Periyasamy Vadamalai completed law course at the Government Law College, Coimbatore, and got enrolled in the Bar Council on 14th day of November 1990 and established practice at Tirupur district. The Honorable Judge joined in the judicial service in the year of 1995 and rendered treasured service at the various district courts and disposed several cases. In a Lok Adalat conducted by the District Legal Services Authority in the year of 2022, the Honorable Judge presided over the Lok Adalat and disposed of about 15,000 cases, which shows the attentiveness of the Honorable Judge towards the speedy dispensation of justice. the service rendered by the Honorable Judge for around 3 decades in the judiciary. That shows the Honorable Judge is courteous, just and impartial, and administered justice by upholding public trust and faith over the judiciary. We are all sure that the Honorable Judge will be great assets for the prestigious High Court and adds more strength to the Chartered High Court along with the array of judges. A quote by Dr. Justice D.Y. Chanchod, the Honorable Chief Justice of India. I quote, "Trust us to be guardians of the liberties of our citizens. There is no case which is small enough or big enough for any court in the nation, because it is in us the confidence of the citizens, the due process of law, and the protection of liberty rests. And it is through the lives of the members of the bar who fearlessly espouse those causes that the flame of liberty burns bright." I unquote. We hope that the Honorable Judge withstand the above nomenclature for delivering of justice in free and fair manner. The judges of the highest forum always referred that the bar and bench are the two wheels of the chariot. If one of the wheels is small or broken, then they cannot function properly. For the smooth functioning of the judicial system, the cordial relationship between the advocates and the judges is very essential. The respect and understanding by both sides provide for the cordial relationship. The bar are bound to respect the bench, and in the same way, bench also expected to show reverence towards the bar. As the Chairman Bar Council, I assure our fullest cooperate for the existence of the mutual bonds between the bar and bench to ensure justice to the litigant public. On behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, and on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, once again I wish the newly appointed Honorable Judge for the continued success in the future endeavor. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras High Court Advocates Association to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other companion judges of this Honorable High Court, Mr. R. Shanmugha, Advocate General, Mr. R. Shankaranarayanan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. Mohan Das, Public Prosecutor, Pondicherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Pondicherry, Mr. Amul Raj, Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman Bar Council of India, Mr. Velu Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. V.R. Kamalanathan, President, MBA, Mr. Louis L. Ramesh, President, Human Rights Association, Mr. L. Senguttuvan, President, Law Association, Mr. Nedunjariyan, President, Madurai Bar Association, Mr. Mohan Kumar, Secretary, Madurai Bar Association. Honorable Justice Periyasamy Odamalai, Additional Judge of our Madras High Court, I wish to compliment His Lordship's valuable and remarkable contribution in the subordinate judiciary, which had paved the way for his elevation as Additional Judge of this Honorable High Court. Honorable Justice Periyasamy Odamalai is a hardworking and sincere in his Lordship's service in the subordinate judiciary, and well known for his Lordship's humbleness, as your Lordship is a soft-spoken and a cordial relationship with the members of the bar throughout his tenure in the subordinate judiciary. Your Lordship is known for his integrity and honesty, which had rightfully elevated him to this prestigious post as Additional Judge of this Honorable High Court. At this moment, I take this opportunity to wholeheartedly thank our Honorable Acting Chief Justice for having taken effective steps to renovate MHA library and reference hall by personally foreseeing the process. Once again, on behalf of MHA, I wish our Honorable Justice Periyasamy Vadamalai to have and hold the office in the most efficient manner. We assure our fullest cooperation from the bar. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras Bar Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice and companion judges, my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Periyasamy Vadamalai, my respected Advocate General Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Senior Advocate, Law Officers of the State and Central, Mr. Hassan Mohammed Jinnah, Public Prosecutor of the State, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and its members, Mr. G. Mohanakrishnan, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association and its office bearers, Mrs. Lucille Ramesh, President, Women Lawyer Association and its office bearers, Mr. L. Sengutwan, President, Law Association and its office bearers, senior advocates and members of the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. On behalf of the Madras Bar Association, I have the greatest privilege and pleasure in extending your lordship a warm welcome and on your assumption of office as Honorable Judge of this Chartered High Court. The impartial conduct of judicial administration is laid down by famous Saint Thiruvalluvar in Tirukkural. Saman செய்து சீர்தூக்கும் கோல்போல் அமைந்தொருபால் கோடாமை சான்றோர் கனி. Meaning, to incline to neither side but to rest impartial is the even fixed scale, is the ornament of the wise. The Madras Bar Association assures the newly appointed Honorable Judge that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as the Judge of this Honorable High Court. The Madras Bar Association wish the newly appointed Honorable Judge a successful, satisfying and memorable tenure of office in our High Court. Thank you, one and all. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Women Lawyers Association, to give welcome address.
எல்லோருக்கும் பணிவான காலை வணக்கம். My Lord Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other companion judges, Advocate General, Additional Advocate Generals, Additional Solicitor General, State Public Prosecutor and other law officers, Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman All India Bar Council, President Madras High Court Advocate Association, President Bar Association, President Law Association, former judges and family members of honorable judges and other dignitaries present here. படைக்குடி கூழ் அமைச்சு நட்பு அரண் ஆறும் உடையான் அரசுருள் ஏறு. ஆற்றல் மிகு படை அறிவார்ந்த மக்கள் குறையா வளம் முறிப்படாத நட்பு குறையற்ற நீதி அழிக்க முடியாத அரண் உடையதே அரசு. In English, an army, people, wealth, good justice, friends, fort, who owns them all is a king of justice. On behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I once again proud to welcome our brother justice to this great Chartered High Court. We are sure we will give our sincere prayers and support. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the President, Law Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord Honorable Acting Chief Justice, my Lord Justice Sri Periyasamy Vadamalai, Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court and former Judges of this Honorable Court, the Learned Advocate General, the Learned Additional Solicitor Generals, the Learned Additional Advocate Generals, the Learned Assistant Solicitor Generals, the Learned Government Pleader, the Learned Public Prosecutor, and the Law Officers of the State and Central, Vice Chairman Bar Council of India, Chairman and Vice Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, Presidents and Office Bearers of various associations, respected senior advocate and members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all. On behalf of Law Association, I have the greatest privilege and the pleasure in extending to the newly appointed judges of this Honorable High Court a very warm and hearty welcome on your assumption of office as Honorable Judges of this Chartered High Court. The Law Association is in its 92nd year of glorious existence, has been a witness to many historical events in the annals of this Honorable High Court. And also these historic days seeing the elevation of the new Honorable Judge, we assure the newly Honorable Judge that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as Judge of this Honorable High Court. I wish on behalf of the office bearers and members of the Law Association that the newly appointed Honorable Judge will have a happy and memorable tenure of office in our High Court. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Thiru Justice Periyasamy Vadamalai to give reply.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of the High Court, Honorable former Judges of the High Court, Learned Advocate General, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India for the South Zone, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India for the Madras High Court, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, Learned Public Prosecutor, Learned Government Pleaders, Chairman and Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, President, Secretary and Office Bearers of various bar associations, law officers of the state and central government, senior advocates and other members of the bar, respected Registrar General and other registrars, district judges and other judicial officers and staff of the High Court, the press and media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to one and all. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to my family gods, Arulmigu Kamachiamman, Arulmigu Karupusamy, and the Almighty Lord Palani Dandayadamani Swami for placing me with this elevated position. I am very thankful to the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice T.Y. Chandrachud, Honorable Mr. Justice S.K. Kaul, and Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Joseph, Collegium Judges of the Honorable Supreme Court. And I express my gratitude and sincere thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ram Subramaniam, Judge, Supreme Court of India, and Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judge, Supreme Court of India, who have reposed confidence on me and endorsed for my elevation. I express my gratitude and sincere thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice Muniswarnath Bandari, former Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice M. Duraisamy, former Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, presently Chairperson, the Tamil Nadu Real Estate Appellate Tribunal, and Honorable Mr. Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, the then Collegium of Judges of the Madras High Court, who have reposed confidence on me and recommended for my elevation. I am ever grateful to Honorable Mr. Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, for showering love and affection and for his continuous support, encouragement and guidance. I place on record my profound thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice S. Vaidyanathan, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Magadevan, Honorable Mr. Justice D. Krishnakumar, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Subramaniam, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Suresh Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice N. Satish Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice N. Sesasai, Honorable Mr. Justice G. R. Swaminathan, Honorable Mr. Justice M. Dandapani, and Honorable Mr. Justice K. Murali Shankar for their continuous support. I will be failing if I do not thank the Honorable Mr. Justice M.S. Janardhanam, former Judge of Madras High Court, who selected me as Judicial Officer in the year 1995. I express my sincere thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice N. Kribavaran, former Judge of High Court of Madras, and Honorable Mr. Justice V. Bharatidasan, former Judge of High Court of Madras, for their continuous support. I am also bound to place on record my deepest gratitude to all the sitting judges and former judges of the High Court of Madras who are instrumental for my elevation. I express my profound thanks to the Learned Advocate General, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association, President, Madras Bar Association, President, Women Lawyers Association, President, Law Association, for their kind words and wishes bestowed on me. On this memorable event of my life, I seek the blessings of my late parents, Mr. M. Periyasamy and Mrs. Soundaram. I seek the blessings of my senior, late Thiru UK Arumam of Udumalpet Bar Association. I am very much indebted to my parent Bar Association, Udumalpet Bar Association, where I learnt basics. I express my special thanks to my family members, my wife Tirumadi V. Radha, and my son P.V. Sudis Balaguru, and my brother Thirupi Marimuthu, and my in-laws, and all my friends and well-wishers who have supported and contributed in my journey of success. I use this opportunity to thank all the judges of District Judiciary with whom I had the opportunity to work and learn. To conclude, I thank the Almighty for allocating this assignment to me and pray to give me the strength to uphold the dignity and pride of this institution. Thank you, one and all. Vanakkam, Jai Hind.
Thank you, my lord. May I conclude the proceedings, my lord? National anthem.